Hey guys, nowadays charging mobile phone is more challenging, but we provide solution for your powering and charging multiple devices. We introducing Hexagon extension board with 4 USB socket and 4 power socket, so charging your devices using USB cables. This user-friendly feature allows you to conveniently power up your mobile devices without the need for additional adapters. It's for traditional power sockets empower you to supply energy to essential home appliances and office. Start from 268 rupees on Bluoot if you want to buy. Link on my Instagram bio. Or just comment hi Bluoot, we share the product details to placed order. Cash on delivery available and get guarantee cash back for every order on Bluoot. Refund and return available.
Bluoot. Shop smart, shop Bluoot. Cash on delivery available. Dispatch within 24 hours. Delivery within 5